7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ito na.
Welcome to the Baxter Building.
We make a point to do family dinner every week. Sunday at 7, on the dot, no matter what. We're all here.
Herbie, how's that sauce coming? Yeah, I'll be the judge of that. Okay. Okay, is this guy good or what? I want to add a couple cloves of garlic. Not because it's not delicious, I just want to add a little bit of zip, okay?
T-5.
Before we went up the first time, you couldn't turn invisible. Ben wasn't a rock. The best pilot in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking, he means.
And Johnny never caught fire.
Ben has always been a rock. Johnny is Johnny.
Hi.
And I am right here. Whatever life throws at us, we'll face it together.
Oh, fantastic car. Oh! 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 Galactus! Oh my gulay! Si Galactus finally! I think we need to make a parang quick breakdown, no? Yung nakita natin doon sa trailer, no? Like after this video, let's play. Okay, rewind tayo. Let's press stop muna sa recording. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we are back na, no, for the Fantastic Four first steps at teaser trailer. So let's do a quick rundown of the trailer, no? So dagdag natin to, no? So hinaan ko na lang yung audio. At here we go. I think they're in the Baxter building yata. At na-mention nga nila they're doing coffee daw. O yan, they're doing a tour, I think so. So ayan, a quick view. I guess baka mag-asawa na sila dito, no? Ni Reed tsaka ni Sue. I think mag-asawa na sila dyan. Medyo pina-speed up. At this is the Fantastic Four. Yung kanilang tower nila. At surprisingly, kita natin si Herbie at si The Thing. Kasi si Herbie, tong robot, nakasama na yan doon sa isang animated film, animated series na Fantastic Four, no? Naalala ko. At sa mga comic books din, parang may isang character ng Fantastic Four na wala. Ang pumalit si Herbie. I think if Human Torch yata wala eh. Pinalitan siya ni Herbie. I'm not sure kung bakit. Just dig into the comics history, no? I'm surprised si Herbie lumabas na kagad, no? Parang one of the added members din ng Fantastic Four. Sa mga expert ng Fantastic Four yan, pasensyahan nyo na. If I'm wrong, just correct me, comment down below. Hindi ako expert sa Fantastic Four. I read the comics and some of their adventures pag may mga crossover. So napansin ko yung boses ni Ben Grimm, no, as The Thing. Hindi siya yung malaking boses na "Hey, I'm The Thing." Parang it reminds me of yung isa sa mga character ni Thor, na pangalan nito yung taong bato sa Thor movies, no. Parang yung simple lang yung boses niya. Malaki siya, rock din siya. Pero yung boses niya matining. Hey, parang gano'n, parang English pa siyang gano'n. Ito si The Thing, yung boses niya, hindi siya yung parang macho, hindi siya yung parang malaking boses, parang it's a normal human voice, pero it's good, no? It's still stay on the character. Ang galing ng ginawa nila ditong concept. I'm expecting it's clobbering time, pero hindi, parang it's yung boses talaga ng actor yung ginamit nila dito eh. And this July na ay drawing board. I think the scene is around the 70s or 80s yata, no? At very yung kanilang astronaut costume is very simple. Well, it's very iconic. At ito yung kanilang rocket ship, and then they're talking about each other, about their powers. Ayan, I think ito yung tinamana sila ng ng cosmic rays. Yan si Sue Storm, nag-invisible na. But we haven't seen any elastic performance ni ni Mr. Fantastic. Hindi pa siya nag-elastic dito. So we just saw 3 of them. At si Ben Grimm, ayan, si Dating, ini-imagine niya yung dahil sa itsura niya, medyo malungkot siya. Ayan. And that's him now. So may struggle yan. There's I think a battle, mental battle yan to accept what he is. Ayan, medyo malungkot. At syempre, di ba? Yung guy sa Stranger Things, no? Siya na si Johnny Storm, yung makulit. If you remember Chris Evans, no, sa past movies ng Fantastic Four, no? Medyo siya, makulit, di ba? Pasaway. I think we're going to see more of it here, no? At bagay na bagay sa kanya. Still the Human Torch character siya with the CGI thing. And then, ayan, their character are still there. And yan, I think si Johnny Storm is doing a test of his ability kung kaya niya lumipad sa space. But unfortunately, kasi walang hangin sa space, hindi siya makakapag-flame on. He need more cosmic powers pa. At si Sue Storm performing her invisibility at saka yung pag-shield niya, no? Ayan. Shield power niya. And there we go. Ayan, naubusan na ng flame. Si Johnny Storm lang napunta siya sa space. So because medyo icy na rin din siya. So he is doing it. At ito na yung pinaka-importante. Nagulat ako. If you remember yung Fantastic Four, the Rise of the Silver Surfer, no, si Galactus yung kalaban. So parang lumabas si Galactus ng clouds. Ito parang it reminds me of the clouds na naman. But ito yung mga bata wearing the I think parang this time medyo star na Fantastic Four. They're the modern heroes na on this time. I'm not sure kung pasok siya sa timeline ng MCU, no, or it's happened way back before the invasion of Thanos, no, Infinity Saga, no. I'm not sure, baka may story dito na maybe in the end with the battle with Galactus, no, na time travel sila and they're going back to the present time, which is aftermath ng Infinity Saga, maybe right after the Quantum Mania. I'm not sure, no, ano nga gawing story nito, no. So we have seen the I think the Fantastic Car for sure lilipad yan because sa itsura pa lang niya, no, yan, lilipad yan. Itsura pa dyan, cockpit niya, kitang-kita. O, lilipad yan. Ganda, ayan, si Human Torch, flying around. Flame on! Ayan. At si Ben, in battle, I really like yung kanyang pagtakbo dito. Fantastic Four talaga. Pinag-aralan nila yung body build sa comics, sa animation, in the past live action movies. Ang galing, grabe. Ito, di ko alam kung sino character to. At I'm not sure kung meron siyang role. Ito rin si Mr. Fantastic in space. At ito na siya, the Devourer of Worlds, si Galactus. Finally, hindi pa natin nakita yung tsura niya, but this shadow, talagang pinakita talaga yung shadow niya rising. If I remember me and Ashton playing Fortnite, no, sa Fortnite kalaban namin si Galactus, terrified kami. We are terrified kasi ang laki ni Galactus. Grabe. So dito pa lang medyo nakaka-terrify siya. Grabe, naman, no, mas malaki pa siya dun sa sa height ng Statue of Liberty. And this is the only image of Galactus na makikita natin. I'm not sure kung anong magiging role niya. Meron bang Silver Surfer? At I heard yung Silver Surfer daw babae. We're not sure if there's a Doctor Doom on this universe, kasi doon sa upcoming Avengers Doomsday, it's iba yung Doctor Doom to, it's different time. I'm not sure if this will be a prelude of that movie or not. So grabe, ito na si Galactus. Shock ako dito na nakita ko to, and nag-black na, at ayun na, it's clobbering time. Oh my god, this is talaga very classic suit. Makita mo yung itsura ni Mr. Fantastic, wala din siyang yellow dito, no, kasi very elastic siya, I think. So medyo pangit naman siguro kung meron siyang white dito sa top niya, no. Everything is very blue, and I'm for sure the upcoming conventions maraming magko-cosplay nito. I'm very hoping, no, galingan nyo, ganda nila, no, kasi kay Sue Storm, galingan nyo kasi napakaganda ni Vanessa Kirby. I think I saw her in, not sure kung sa James Bond or sa Mission Impossible, no? Parang doon mo siya nakita, napaka-sexy niya, grabe. And here we go, Marvel Studio, the first family, the Fantastic Four at first step. This is their first step. At malalaman natin sa July 25 of this upcoming awesome Marvel movie na talagang we're glad we're still here appreciating this kind of stories from the comic books, no? So yun, I'll end daw my video here. So sana nagustuhan nyo yung aking video about this Fantastic Four Mania happening. Nakapag-upload kagad ako ng video reaction. So ayun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. It's clobbering time! Alright, flame on!